proud to say that we have been working with the Fotona Laser for the last 8 years, and in that 8 years we have delivered over 10,000 treatments. These treatments can include snoring and sleep apnea, GyneLase, skin tightening, treatments for redness and rosacea, and acne. We are also very proud to say that we're a doctor-led business by Dr. Gary Cussell. All of our technicians and clinicians and registered nurses are fully trained by Gary himself and are highly educated in using this laser, including all of us having our Laser Safety Officer certificate. We are located in 3 areas, so we have our George Street Clinic, our Brain Guru Clinic, and also in Chatswood. We would absolutely love to meet you and discuss with you any concerns that you may have that we can help facilitate in creating the best possible treatment plan. Please give us a call to make and arrange an appointment time suitable for you.